Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Yura. I'm a 22-year-old college student living in New York, and this is my college room tour. It's very minimal. I don't really have a ton of clothes, a ton of makeup. It's just very simple, and I love watching these videos, so hopefully you like them too. So stay tuned for the rest of the video. Bye! Hey guys, so this is actually my overview. So right here, this is the door that you see, that you go through when you come into my room. I have a little sloth animal here. I got it from the dollar store. I originally had it from my dad, but I don't know, it ended up being here. And then right here, you see my giant desk. This part of the desk actually pulls out, and it's the reason why I actually decided to buy it. So it's humongous. It was, I think, about $175 from IKEA. So very affordable. I assembled it myself. You can actually put this part on that side if you want when you assemble it, but I like it on this side for my room. And when I originally moved into this room, I had the option of either getting a bigger bed. So I have a twin bed, either a bigger bed or this table, like a bigger table, because I didn't have a desk at all in my old room. So I decided to go for my dream desk, which is a desk that I just wanted it to be like really big and spacious, and eventually when I have my own home office, you know, this can fit right in. And then right here I have an LED lamp from Amazon, and I highly recommend this. It has 3 settings. It's LED. The light is amazing. You don't need to change no light bulbs or anything. It's very great, very convenient. Helps me study, and also I get really good pictures with that. And then there I have a picture frame from IKEA for $1, and I just put some Polaroid pictures. And then here is my textbook stand. When I'm taking notes on my textbook, I just put it on this, and then you can adjust the size, the height with this, and it's very helpful, so then you're not constantly looking down on your textbook. And then I have this acrylic, I guess you can say like pencil organizer I got from Home Goods. I really like it. It's very simple. Everything is there, and I don't really need to, you know, have a bunch of smaller little compartments, and it's just one storage area. And my desk, my coaster, my dying plant candle, and these are some like pages. And then this is a habit tracker from Cloth and Paper. That's like a post-it note. It's very cute. And then I have like a little quote that says, "I'm going to make everything around me beautiful. That will be my life." I originally wanted to hang it up here, but I didn't want to ruin this, so I just have it there. My AirPods, and then I have my 2 main textbooks that I need, because these are the textbooks that I actually like referred to during my notes, my macroeconomics and accounting. I have my laptop and my planner, and this is actually something I started doing yesterday. It's like my food journal, I guess. I have random stuff up there. My Polaroid camera, my sister's camera, I have 2 piggy banks, a card my friend wrote me, and I have like this like box book thing that's like storage, and then I have like a little painting that my friend made me. And then here I have my my I guess you can say like everyday stuff. I have like books I want to read. I have my school notebooks. I have them all here right now because obviously we don't have school right now, so yeah. And then I have the books I want to read, my Bible for devotional, my pencil case, calculator, hole puncher that I use, and then I have a bunch of random like knick-knack stuff in here. I have like a scale, tape, pencil case, just random stuff I need to organize. And then I have my printer and everything that's related to my printer, like extra ink, whatever. And here this is all literally just random stuff. And then down here is actually stuff I'm selling on Mercari, which is like a website that you can sell like your used unwanted stuff and people buy. And yeah, this is my desk. Down here I have stuff like shipping packages for my Etsy shop. And here I have like a chair ottoman from Target I bought for like $13. that I store like school related like supplies. And then I have my paper cutter. And here I have my laminating paper, my laminating machine, and then I have my own like cash envelope Etsy shop. So these are like the cash envelopes that are already packaged, so they're like ready to go if someone buys them. Same as like here. Well, here is all the stuff that I cut and need to finish. Like I need to laminate these, and then they'll be up on my shops shortly. So that's my desk, and then I have a tissue box next to my bed, my phone charger, my dog steps, my cute little doggy, my face mask, not my face mask, my eye mask. If you don't use a eye mask, I highly recommend it. It's been so helpful, and like the inside is like silky and it's so soft, and it just helps me get a better sleep. Then I have a stuffed bear my boyfriend got me for Valentine's Day, along with a giant card, a card that my friend Joanne made me. My sister got me that random succulent type of thing because I liked that like aesthetic. Then my friend Melanie made me like a custom pillow, so cute. Then I just have some like mini perfumes as decor. And then I just have like a random pillow pad from like 2008. And then I have a stuffed llama that my boyfriend won me at a carnival. So this is like the overview of my room. And then right now over here I've just been doing like workout stuff, because obviously there's no gym and I am trying to lose weight right now. And then I have this set up on this side. And then in here I actually keep all my like workout gear. I have my workout bag that I used to use for the gym. And then I have like some booty bands. I have like this, I don't even know what to call this. Like, yeah, I don't really know what this is called. And then I have my Sweet Sweat that like enhances your workouts, so it makes you sweat more. Here I just have like undergarments for like easy access. Then I have my 2 school bags, but there's no school, so that's there. And then I have my bathrobe, and then my sweater that I wore. And then I have my closet. It's very, very stuffed. Yeah, I have random stuff here. I pretty much stock up on stuff for like gifts, because I'm like a gift person. If you know like the 5 love languages, my personal thing is like, my love language to give love is like buy gifts, and I just love giving gifts on like special occasions. So I like to keep like lotions or like candles or jewelry or like just random stuff that I can just like easily just put together if I forgot it's someone's birthday, or I just want to give them like a random gift or like a self-care package. And then yeah, it's pretty much stuffed. It's very messy, not really organized. Everything is just all over the place. I don't really like opening this closet. And then here I have all my skincare stuff, my perfume, deodorant, hairspray, lip balm. I got this, wow, I suck at talking. I got this rolling thing from Home Goods for like 30 bucks. It's reflective, it's really cute. And then this is literally all the makeup I own. It's very little, I know, I don't know. When I moved, I threw out mostly everything. I have literally 1 foundation. I literally have 1 makeup brush. This is the only makeup brush I have for my face. And then I have 1 bronzer brush, 1 highlighter brush, and like, I don't even know. And yeah, I don't really have any lip glosses or anything like that. I don't like to hoarder things. I barely even ended up using any of the stuff I had, so I just like to keep it very simple. I have this Naked palette when it was like so popular like 5 years ago. And I have a painting my boyfriend painted me, Polaroid of me, my sister, my cousin, my boyfriend, and then I have this cute little jewelry box. And I put my rings in it. And then this was supposed to be for like my watch and my other jewelry, but it ended up becoming like a scrunchie holder, I guess. And then yeah, and then here I have like hair clips because I like having it for easy access. And I have a random chair if someone wants to join me at my desk for a little study sesh. So yeah. So if you've made it through to this part of the video, then you lasted through my very awkward room tour. I'm not really used to making videos, but I do want to start and continue making more videos, especially with like my college journey and everything like that. So yeah, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.